So somebody had a mimosa on an empty stomach right before breakfast, because why not have a samosa before breakfast, right? Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. Hey guys, are you awake?
No.
No? Half awake. What time do we have to get up at?
3. I was up all night.
How much sleep do you get, Sienna?
I woke up, I don't know, I woke up at 2:58.
2:58?
No, she didn't. She was snoring. Because like when I looked at the clock, it was 2:58. How can you look at the clock when I was right beside her?
How long do we have to wait till Calgary?
2 hours.
2 hours. 2 hours? No.
Yeah. Do we wait until we go to Calgary?
We leave at 6.
Yeah. 2 hours, it's 4. And I'm hungry.
Let's go. Let's go.
Sleep.
So before we left for our trip, we got a Saili eSIM. There's a lot of different eSIMs out there. The reason why we chose this one is because they had a special on that you got free lounge access to multiple ones around the globe, and one of them happened to be in Calgary, which we had, I think it was a 3-hour layover. I can't even remember. But we got access to this lounge for free. So the Saili app, it is a little bit more expensive, we found, than the other ones. It did work really well on our entire trip. But this was great because we had, like I said, we had free access to this lounge. So just for that layover, we got to kind of have a bite to eat, had access to the coffee. Of course, for the alcoholic beverages, that was extra, but free food, free coffee, free juice, free water. And it was a nice little space here. They had different kind of sectioned out areas depending on what you wanted to do. Over kind of here around the back corner, they had separate seating areas where you could charge your phone, set up your laptop, and just kind of have your privacy. And then over here, you can see that's where a lot of the beverages and the food was set up. There was a QR code on your table that was linked to that table. So you look at the QR code, there it is there. You just link that up, you order your food, and then they come right to your table with your food. We got some pretty delicious food there before we left. But again, this was just a great perk of getting that Saili eSIM app. And we found it was, was benefit for the amount we paid, because you can cancel it as soon as you get back to your home. So we paid for it. And I think, I believe in Canadian dollars, it was around $60 for 30 days. So again, a little bit more on the pricey side, but for us, definitely worth it because of our layover that we had in the Calgary airport. Alright guys, so what we did is we got a Saili eSIM card, and because we got the Saili eSIM card, we also were able to get free access to the lounge. So all we have to do is just kind of scan the QR code, and then we go in to the app, and then we just order, and it comes right to the table. Good fun.
Mimosa.
Thank you. So somebody had a mimosa on an empty stomach right before breakfast, because why not have a samosa before breakfast, right? Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. How was it?
The fruit bowl. Plate number 2. it. It's not real sausage. Alright?
Good.
Can't eat.
And then they also had this little lounge area if you want to get a little shut eye or just chill out or check on your phone, charge your phone like Sienna's doing here. But it was a nice little relax area.
Look at the mountains. You can see the mountains. Wait, that's actually so pretty. Wait, actually film it. Look. Film it.
Okay, so we're rushing to see if our gate actually exists before we get food. Let's make sure it exists. We made it. D70. It actually exists.
It took long.
It actually exists. Now we wait. Vancouver Airport.
We're getting food.
We're getting food. She's always thinking about food. Always thinking about food. We'll get food. What do you want?
A&W.
A&W. When you're at Vancouver Airport, you get
A&W.
A&W. Why not? Why not?
Last taste of Western fast food.
Yeah.
Vancouver.
You ready for Thai food? Vietnamese food?
Jollibee.
Jollibee in Vietnam.
It's gonna be so spicy. I'm excited for the seafood.
And you're excited for the long flight.
No.
Who's excited for the long
12
flight?
hours, here we come.
I'm gonna watch movies the whole time. You should watch K-pop Demon Hunters.
Okay, we're watching K-pop Demon Hunters on the way there. What'd you get? A gift? You got a gift?
저희 승무원들은 여러분께서 편안하게 여행하시도록 정성을 다하겠습니다. 휴대전화를 전송해드리는 금융기록을
And of course, you have to sync up your episodes before you leave so you can watch them together as a couple. I think that's mandatory or something. So Korean Air, can't speak highly enough of these guys for international flights, especially if you're going to Asia, obviously. Very good food, clean, friendly service, lots of space. Probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite, long trip, long haul airline.
Check your ticket transfer, please. She was having for Manila.
Okay, so we just had a mishap with our gates changing at the last minute. We thought we had 15 minutes. We now have an hour. So we ran like the Dickens, like on Amazing Race. We needed people flagging us down, yelling at us, saying, "This way, go this way. You have 10 minutes. You have 5 minutes." But we came here, we got here.
Well, I'm pretty sure there was a gate change that happened. Because I double checked twice. When we got off the plane, went to transfer, I checked on it, and it said a different gate number. And then we freshened up, went out, and then I checked again, and it was for that gate number. So we headed there, and no one was there.
No one was there. It was empty. And this was way on the other end of the airport.
What was that, like a half an hour walk? No, 20,
Probably 20-minute walk. We ran in 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Because it said 14 minutes. Departure in 14 minutes.
Always an adventure. Always an adventure.
Makes it fun.
Right behind us. If we need to use a washroom, it's right there.
You can go anytime without bothering anyone.
Alright, so now it's time to figure out this whole grab thing, and it doesn't matter how many YouTube videos you watch, until you get here, you won't really understand it until you do it for yourself.
Yeah.
Here? Okay. Oh, okay.
Sure. Number 6262. Okay, take a photo, confirm driver. Okay, take a photo, confirm driver.
Thank you.
ปาเจโร่หมดน่าจะหมดเดี๋ยวผมเรียกให้ลูกค้าเดี๋ยวเขาไม่เห็นเดี๋ยว
Okay.
เซอร์เวที
Thank you. So again, it can be a little bit confusing once you get here. Once you figure it out, it's not, but it is a little overwhelming. So just be aware of that give yourself a little bit extra time. Try not to stress out too much about it. There are people there to help you. There is a little bit of language barriers you saw, but I mean, at the end of the day, you'll get to where you're going. It just takes a little practice. So there is a designated area for grabs, so be on the lookout for that. Again, it doesn't matter how many videos you watch, you're gonna have to try it out for yourself, but just know there is a designated grab area, and there are people there that are gonna try to help you as best they can to figure out where your grab is coming from, where your car is from. You saw me take a picture there. I was just trying to let my driver know exactly where we were at. So each car has a designated number, so just kind of be on the lookout for the plate number as well as the make of the car. There's no daylight, so we got a patio. Push to unlock, maybe. I don't know. Oh, there we go. There we go. The patio. It's dark, so we'll do this in the daytime. Then we'll check out the bathroom. Oh. Not too bad. Got the hot water heater in there. What do you guys think?
Shower time.
Okay, bed test. Bed test.
Bed test.
Watch out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh boy, that's firm. That's gonna be a firm bed. That's alright. I'd rather it be too firm than too soft. That'll do.
All right, you stinkies, get up.